In a landscape where resilience is a non-negotiable requirement for survival, Amalga Training has recalibrated the blueprint of professional development through our Amalga-Unity model. We transcend traditional tick box certifications by embedding 3 fundamental pillars into every accredited program: technical mastery, psychological well-being, and water stewardship. This integrated approach yields a triple dividend for the South African economy. We equip learners, both the currently employed and those seeking new opportunities, with high-impact vocational skills, the mental fortitude to excel under pressure, and the environmental literacy essential to safeguarding our most precious natural resource. By aligning Triple BEE initiatives and tax incentive compliance training with tangible ESG impact, we evolve learners from simple practitioners into resilient corporate stewards. At Amalga Training, we do not merely train for a job, we future-proof our people and our planet. Amalga Training, enriching lives, empowering futures. To find us, head over to amalgatraining.co.za, where you can browse our full course directory. If you need a custom solution for your company, simply hit the Contact Us button, or you can DM us right here on Facebook and LinkedIn for our latest industry insights. Don't leave your skills development to chance. Reach out to Amalga Training today, and let's start building